Today we're going to install the 41 series running boards from Ionic Automotive on this 2019 Chevy Silverado new body style crew cab. Now this is the same install as GMC Sierra. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're starting on the driver's side. We're underneath the truck, just behind the front tire. So we're going to come back along that rocker panel. Down below, we're going to see we've got a plug in the bottom of the rocker panel. Up top, we've got another plug directly above that one. We're going to pop those plugs out. Now, if you've had running boards on here before, plugs are probably not going to be here because they were probably using the factory holes. Now here's one of our brackets. All the brackets are exactly the same. If you notice, the bottom of the bracket, the foot of the bracket has two elongated oval holes. That's what the running board is going to rest on. We've got two other holes in the side of the bracket. Those are going to line up to the factory threaded holes in that rocker panel where we just removed the plugs. You're also in the kit given some M8 hardware, bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Put those together and put them in each one of those factory holes and put them in there finger tight for right now. Along the rocker panel, we're going to skip the second factory mounting location and go to the third factory mounting location. I've already gone ahead and removed the plugs. Now we're going to go ahead and grab another one of our brackets and install that hand tight just the same way that you installed the first one. Now we're going to move back along the rocker panel to our fourth factory mounting location. This is where we're going to loosely install our third bracket, same way we just did the first two. All right, now moving back to the rear of the cab, we're going to skip the fifth factory mounting location and go directly to the sixth. Again, I've gone ahead and removed the plugs and again install this exactly the same way you've installed the other three. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the running board, flip it upside down. What we're going to see here is we've got two tracks running the entire length of the running board. All right, in your kit, you'll also have a second set of hardware with bolts and also serrated flange nuts. These are a different thread than what goes into your vehicle. What we're going to do is we're going to take 8 of these bolts and slide 4 of them into each one of the tracks and space them evenly along the running board. Now let's go ahead and take the running board and set it on top of the brackets. What we're going to do is line up the bolts to the brackets and drop the bolts through the holes in the brackets. Now we're going to go ahead and line up the running board to the truck. Make sure it's centered front to back and slid in and out where you want it. Next, we're going to take our serrated flange nuts and thread them onto the bolts hanging out of the brackets. Once those are all lined up, go ahead and tighten down the brackets to the running board with a 1/2 inch wrench or ratchet. Now we can go ahead and tighten down the running board to the body of the truck. Now we'll just repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.